In this video, I will show you how to create an API key on Google AI Studio. So make sure to watch this full video to learn how to generate your key and use it to connect Google AI tools with your apps or projects. Also, if this video does help you out today, then make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more simple AI and tech tutorials. To get started, what you want to do is head over to google.com and just Google search for Google AI Studio. What you then want to do is click onto the top result. This should take you to the official website, which is aistudio.google.com. From here, click on the Get Started button in the top right hand corner, and that's going to take you into your Google AI Studio. There is going to be a quick walkthrough, but you can just click skip at the bottom. And once you've done that, what you need to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner where you're going to see an option to get API key. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account. So if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, you're going to see which Google account you're logged in with down here. So what I'm going to do is click onto Get API Key, and that's going to take me to another screen which is going to look something like this. Now you can see I've got one I've already set up, but to create a new one, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see a button to create API key. Give that a click. What that's going to do is bring up a window like this where you can create your new key. From here, what you can do is name your key. So I'm just going to call this one Tech Tutor's key or API key, and once you've done that, you can choose your imported project from the next drop-down window. So from here, you can import a project, you can create a new project, or if you do have any existing projects, of course, you can select them from the list here. Now, in this example, I'm just going to select default Gemini project, and then what I'm going to do is click onto the Create Key button. Now, once you've done that, it's going to create your key. It just takes a minute or two to do this, and you're going to find the information here. At the very top, you're going to find your API key. Of course, I've blurred mine out for security reasons, but all you need to do from here, you're going to see a copy button to the right of the key. Give that a click to copy it to your clipboard, and then of course you can use this API key wherever you need to. So that is how to create an API key on Google AI Studio. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.